The 307cc is a convertible model with an electric metal roof, based on the 307 series. However, various parts of the body are of a specific design in order to contain the roof, and it may be more accurate to say that the parts from the 307 series were installed on a totally different body. The idea of separating a hardtop roof to contain it in the trunk may not be a new idea, but applying this to a 4-seater model with an especially large roof is typical to Peugeot. The movement of the electric roof is smooth, and stows away the large roof perfectly. In order to incorporate this roof mechanism, the 307cc is made 3.7 inches lower in height, with a rear overhang that is extended by 170 millimeters. The front windshield is angled lower by an additional 2 degrees, and the seat position is also 1.5 inches lower. Compared with the basic 307 series, this makes the view from the driver's seat much different. The engine is a 2.0 L 4-cylinder producing 135 bhp, combined with a 4-speed automatic transmission, and the S16 Sports model produces 175 bhp combined with a 5-speed manual. Though its driving performance may fall short of the lighter hatchback model, the exhilarating handling characteristic of Peugeot is definitely there. Higher grade models are given leather interior, with leather on the dashboard and even on the door trims. Its finish is definitely that of a very French specialty coupe. The Premium AVN model is the top of the line, incorporating a 2-DIN navigation system.